Teelaunch for Dropshipping Review, My Usage Experience. Links to Teelaunch and related resources can be found in the description below. Teelaunch is a print-on-demand platform designed to help e-commerce and dropshipping entrepreneurs create and sell customized products without holding inventory. With its wide range of items and seamless integration with major e-commerce platforms, Teelaunch is an excellent choice for those looking to launch a brand or expand their product catalog. One of Teelaunch's standout features is its diverse product selection. The platform offers more than just standard t-shirts and hoodies. You'll find unique items like drinkware, home decor, tech accessories, and even pet products. This variety allows you to cater to different niches and keep your product lineup fresh and engaging. For dropshippers, having access to such a diverse catalog is a significant advantage. Teelaunch excels in customization options. The platform provides an intuitive design tool where you can upload your artwork, position it on products, and preview the final look before publishing. This simplicity makes it easy to create professional-looking products, even if you're new to the print-on-demand model. Another key advantage of Teelaunch is its efficient fulfillment process. With production facilities located in the US, UK, and Canada, Teelaunch can fulfill orders quickly and ship products to customers worldwide. The average production time is 3 to 5 business days, and shipping times are competitive, which is crucial for maintaining customer satisfaction in dropshipping. Teelaunch integrates seamlessly with platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and BigCommerce, automating the entire process from product creation to order fulfillment. Once an order is placed, Teelaunch handles everything, including production and shipping, allowing you to focus on marketing and growing your business. While Teelaunch's product quality and fulfillment are reliable, the platform doesn't offer as many advanced branding options as some competitors, like custom packaging or private labeling. However, the unique product offerings and affordable pricing make up for this limitation. In conclusion, Teelaunch is a great choice for dropshipping entrepreneurs looking to diversify their product offerings and sell high-quality, customized items with ease. Its product variety, efficient fulfillment, and user-friendly integration make it a strong contender for building a successful print-on-demand business. Check the links in the description to explore Teelaunch and see if it aligns with your dropshipping goals. This review should help clarify whether Teelaunch is the right platform for your business.